You know? Boy, do the bury and your friend that me not like you know. Uno mash a problem with Marshall and Tommy, you know. Cause them live it. Them a star. It's like how you have basketball. And the basketball player, them play and retire and become commentator and interviewer. Where the blood clot Dutty Berry come from? Where it come from? Him and the next little sprat one them will swim around the place. When if you go, when if you get fire. Them fi have a routine thing when you go through to get them job there. All you know do, I wind up on the bottom and get job. I don't know nothing about the job. Yo, Wayne should even chat to the boy. Them boy they not fit up on the panel. Them fi go way over so go ride a camel. Pussy wall. I want to know. Embarrassment country. When all some people see that now, they're gonna say, but how is he a press person and he don't know nothing? Shit house. Anyway, we'll move on a little bit.